In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to style Lululemon Define Jacket. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of suggestions on how to style your Lululemon Define Jacket. So I'm gonna give you some major categories and you will be able to pick among them. First, I want to talk about casual pairings. So for a more casual look, first, what I would suggest is to pair it up with jeans and a simple top. So by pairing it up with jeans and a simple top, the Define Jacket's sleek design and flattering fit make it a perfect layering piece for a casual day out. So you keep it simple and you pair it up with jeans and a top. You can choose a neutral color like black or gray to pair with your favorite jeans and a simple t-shirt or tank top. Next, you can dress it up with a skirt or a dress. So the secondary suggestion is going to be a skirt or a dress. The Define Jacket can also be dressed up for a more polished look. So if you want to look sharper, pair it with a skirt or dress and some stylish boots or heels. Next, you can also layer it over a hoodie or a sweatshirt. So, depending on the look that you want to achieve, this is also going to be an option. For a cozy and comfortable look, just layer the jacket over a hoodie or sweatshirt. This is going to be wonderful for cooler weather. Next, you have athletic looks. So there's a lot of ways in which you can pair it up like this. And first, you can simply wear it to the gym. The Define Jacket is perfect for workouts. It is breathable and stylish. You can pair it with leggings and a sports bra for a comfortable and flattering gym outfit. Next, you can wear it for yoga and Pilates. The Define Jacket's lightweight and stretchy fabric make it ideal for yoga, so pair it once again with leggings and a tank top for a comfortable and stylish look. And of course, you can wear it for running outdoors activities. As long as you choose any of these pairings, you will have a good time wearing this jacket. I hope I was able to help you on how to style Lululemon Define Jacket. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.